Why do we choose to spend our time, energy, and money with some people, but not others? Why do some people's actions repel us? Because in those interactions, there's a lack of alignment. You and they don't want the same thing out of that situation. It could be somebody who talks about themselves but doesn't want to hear about you, or a coworker who feels only their ideas or contributions matter. Or it could be a business that focuses on meeting its needs before meeting yours. Alignment of interest is an important piece of the trust dynamic, along with credibility, track record, and empathy. Alignment of interest is built beyond just being in agreement with others. It involves our intent and our motivation. You may want the same outcome as someone else, but your motivation may be completely different. A company might reduce the price of its product and say it's interested in saving customers money during these uncertain times. But what if the motivation for the price reduction is simply to move out old inventory before the new and improved widget is available? You might say, that's not a big deal. Brands do that all the time. Yeah, you're right. They do it all the time, and it completely destroys trust. Because when we see the new widget come out the week after we bought the old one, we realize that the brand had a hidden agenda. Raise your hand if you like hidden agendas. Alignment of interest doesn't mean you have to give your product away for free, even if that's what you think people want. It's about both parties having the same understanding of what's at stake and being committed to working toward the same end. It's an unspoken dynamic for sure, but that's the area we as a branding agency work in. The areas that other agencies don't know how to leverage. Want to know the true value of alignment of interests? It has nothing to do with the transactions between your business and your customers. It's about giving your business or brand deep, lasting meaning to people. Here's how it works. When we understand that people share the same values as us, we're able to create deep connections with them. We will favor them, forgive their mistakes, and speak highly about them to others, even if parts of their personality don't align with ours. This is the basis of loyalty. And when businesses and brands are able to represent more than just a product or service, they can create massive loyalty. Starbucks is not just a cup of coffee, right? A Harley isn't just transportation. Disney doesn't just create entertainment. These brands have true meaning to their customers because they stand for things that their customers believe in. Their values align with those of the brands. But what if you don't have meaning to your customers? What if they just see you as a product? In that case, you risk losing your customers to other choices that are either cheaper, better, or easier to get. No matter who you are or what you do, there is always a competitor who is cheaper, better, or quicker. So how do you create loyalty? It starts by identifying your core values. If you haven't done that as a business, the easiest way is to create a mission statement and to understand the true jobs that your customers need you to do for them. You can find links to downloadable resources in the video description below. These two exercises will begin to uncover what you stand for and what you're able to deliver. And they can help you become more trustworthy. Trust is the most valuable thing your business can offer customers. But you can't ask people to trust you. You have to become genuinely trustworthy through your actions and how you represent yourself. Remember, trust is a measure of your capabilities and your character.